Welcome to our lesson about reflection. In this lesson, we're going to learn how reflection is applied in more detail. Let's bring up the scene editor and also the preview window. Let me enlarge the preview a little bit. There we go. Now let's go to the Room tab. Currently, as you see, all the walls and ceiling and floor are visible. Let's uncheck them all. Notice that the reflection remains. Let's uncheck the reflectivity of the north wall and see how the preview changes. Now back to the Manager tab. Let's scroll up a bit and select Black and White. Let's return to the Room tab. Let's hide the north and east walls and the floor too. As you see, there is still reflection. I'll show you what I'm up to in just a second. For now, let's go back to the Manager tab and let's click on the Environments folder. Let's choose Cube Neon Environment. Back to the Room tab. Here's the same setting: invisible room walls, ceiling, and floor. When I check the visibility boxes for these walls, the ceiling, and the floor, you can see how the settings are similar. Let's return to the Manager tab. Click on the Showrooms folder. Let's try Tiles and Brick. And back to the Environment tab. Select Environment Image. Notice we don't see the reflection in the preview. Let's navigate to the preview window and zoom in a little bit. And back to the Room tab on the Scene Editor. Now let's uncheck the reflection of the west wall. In place of the reflection, we see the reflection of the environment. Let's uncheck the reflectivity of the south wall and also of the ceiling. Photoworks first processes a request for reflection from the walls and then secondly processes environmental reflection. And this concludes our lesson about reflection.